Hi, I'm Sarah Gilbreth. Welcome to the Georgia Tech Department of Housing's Go Green series. In this episode, we're going to look at water conservation and how the Georgia Tech Department of Housing is doing their part to conserve one of our most precious resources: water.
Water is essential to campus life. We use it every day in kitchens, bathrooms, drinking fountains, and even here at the CRC for recreation.
Now let's look at how the Department of Housing is conserving water in the residence halls. Low-flow fixtures cut consumption by 50%. Whether it's faucets, toilets, or shower heads, compressing it into a high-pressure discharge constricts the flow of water. Air bubbles are injected into the water, making it feel like the flow is larger. This means water is being saved, but not at the expense or comfort of the resident. Low-flow shower heads use about 2.5 gallons of water per minute. Conventional shower heads use between 4 to 5 gallons of water. Since there are almost 8,500 residents that live on campus, if every person took a shower on a given day and the average shower time is around 20 minutes, that would be almost 850,000 gallons of water going down the drain. But with low-flow shower heads, we can cut that number in half. Over a year's time, that equates to a savings of 8.5 million gallons of water, which is enough to fill up the CRC's competition pool 8 times.
Well, one of the things that housing has been doing is looking at how much water we use overall, and in the past, and as time goes into 2025, there's going to be less and less water. I think our students now are more, let's say, conscious of where we're going into the future. They know about, our water shortages, and they know about our environment.
The Department of Housing has also installed the CalSense system, and it's having a big impact on water conservation.
The CalSense system is a system set up for water management and also labor management. The system is set up to help us set parameters for the water use, and also has reporting systems that can give us information on problems that we've had on the system. So a daily check is done in a report from the system that will give us the idea of where our problems are and how we can go about getting to them in a quick manner to repair as needed. So we know where everything's at. So if it tells us it's zone so-and-so, 16 on this building or this area that's controlled by a central unit, that we can send our technician right to that area, so it saves the downtime in labor in the repairs or whatever is needed in the system. Not only that, we've also saved almost 40% in water usage by installing these systems.
They've also added front-load washers, which require less water, hold larger loads, and use less energy for water heating.
Water conservation is essential to the Department of Housing's commitment to going green. With our combined efforts, we can avoid this. For more information on water conservation in your residence hall and on campus, please visit these websites.